So hey guys, Google has came pretty close to nailing the mid-range smartphone game. They have taken what worked in the previous models and made some great upgrades with the Pixel 7a. It definitely lives up to the flagship killer nickname, especially considering its reasonable price. Thankfully, the Pixel 7a is a pocket-friendly option that doesn't compromise on its durability. But if you're planning to hit the beach this summer, have you wondered if your Pixel 7a can handle the waves? Let's put it to the test and see how durable it really is. So the Pixel 7a is pretty tough. It's got something called IP67 certification, which means it's both water and dust resistant. But don't go thinking it's completely watertight. It can handle being submerged in water for a short while but not forever. Just to give you an idea, its manufacturer guarantees that it can withstand being fully underwater at deep up to 1 meter for half an hour. So here are a couple of things to keep in mind about the Pixel 7a. Firstly, the level of protection advertised only applies to the fresh out of the box device. As time goes on, your smartphone probably won't be as resistant to water and dust as it used to be. And secondly, it's important to remember that just because the Pixel 7a can handle getting wet, that doesn't mean that it can handle all liquids. Salt water, for example, can still wreak havoc on your phone. Guess what? The Pixel 7a packs the same custom Tensor 2 chipset as the top of the line Pixel 7 and 7 Pro. Can you believe it? Using this $500 phone feels like unleashing the same satisfaction I got from the Apple's 2022 iPhone SE. Honestly, people are saying it performs better than expected, and that's saying a lot. It's exciting to hear that the Pixel 7a in the A series now offers wireless charging for the very first time, though it may not be the fastest with the rate of the only 7.5 watt. It's compatible with any QI based wireless charging out there. It's worth noting that the Pixel 7a comes at a price of $499, which is a bit higher than the previous Pixel 6a model. So are you excited about the Pixel 7a? Share your thoughts in the comments down below. And if you want to stay up to date on the latest tech news, hit that subscribe button and join me in my next one.